Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Blackview is one of the most popular Chinese manufacturers of rugged phones. We already made full review of Blackview BV9500 Pro, and it is one of the best rugged phones of 2017. Now the Chinese brand announced the best rugged phone in 2018, and it is called Blackview BV9500 Pro. The new device has 10,000 mAh battery, Helio P23 chipset, 5.7-inch Full HD Plus display, and even wireless charging. The pre-sale starts tomorrow from $270. It sounds very interesting, do you agree? So let's make first review. Blackview BV9500 Pro is rugged phone by IP68 standard, so it is completely waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. The manufacturer says that new phone is stronger than other rugged devices because it have been approved by US military standards. The phone is made of metal and rubber materials. On the front panel, there is 5.7-inch Full HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. The back panel has dual rear camera and flashlight. The fingerprint reader is located on the right side. Also, there are other physical buttons such as power, volume rocker, and function key. Blackview BV9500 Pro has a removable antenna for walkie-talkie function, 3.5mm audio jack, and USB Type-C port. The phone comes in black, yellow, and green color options. Blackview BV9500 Pro provides very good performance for 2018. It is powered by Helio P23 chipset with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. By the way, there is basic model with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. New phones support all frequencies. You can see them on your screen, but manufacturer is very proud of walkie-talkie function. It allows you to be in touch even when there is no signal. You just need to connect the removable antenna. In addition, Blackview BV9500 Pro supports global 4G LTE networks and NFC. The phone runs on latest Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. It is almost stock Android with some pre-installed apps for professionals such as Compass, Ruler, Protractor, and others. The camera is very important for modern smartphone. A new Blackview phone is equipped with 16-megapixel dual rear camera and f2.0 aperture. The second sensor is used for depth effect. Also, there is 13-megapixel front camera with the same f2.0 aperture. We already have first sample photos, and they look very good. The last highlight of Blackview BV9500 Pro is battery. It has a capacity of 10,000 mAh, super fast charging support of 12W and 2A, and even wireless charging. The Chinese company says that full charge of 10,000 mAh battery takes about 3.5 hours. As you can see, Blackview BV9500 Pro is a stunning phone with high build quality and waterproof case by IP68 standard. It provides good performance and latest Android 8.1 operating system. The phone supports global 4G LTE networks, NFC, and even walkie-talkie. Also, it has 10,000 mAh battery with fast and wireless charging. It looks like perfect mobile device, do you agree? The Chinese company already raised about $250,000 on Indiegogo, and the first sales of phone will begin at the end of July. Thanks for watching. In description under this video we will add link where to buy Blackview BV9500 Pro. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.